everyone, welcome to 60 Thoughts. Today we are going to discuss about what is meant by partially ordered set. Otherwise, in short form, it is called Poset in lattice Boolean algebra. Let us see the definition. A binary relation capital R on the given set capital A is said to be partial order relation, which means it satisfies three conditions. One is reflexive. You see the property x comma x belongs to R for all x belongs to A. So whenever you get the order pair 1 comma 1, 2 comma 2, 3 comma 3, these are called what reflexive property. Second one is R is antisymmetric. What is antisymmetric? If x comma y belongs to R and y comma x belongs to R, then x equal to y for all x comma y belongs to A. Once this condition, then it is called antisymmetric. Third one is R is transitive. Transitive means if x comma y belongs to R and y comma z belongs to R, then x comma z belongs to R, then it is called transitive property. Once satisfies this condition, therefore the given set is called partial order relation, not partial ordered set. Okay. So what is partially ordered set means? A set capital S with a partial order relation. Okay, here S is nothing but the given set A. Okay, with partial order relation R is called partially ordered set. Otherwise, it is called poset and denoted by capital S. This S is nothing but A value, R is nothing but the given relation set R value. Otherwise, they give some mathematical symbol also. Once you write this form is called what? Which means what? S comma R form is called partial ordered set. What is partial ordered set? A given set either S or A with the partial order relation, which means satisfies these three conditions. Then the set is called ordered set and it is denoted by S comma R. Okay. I hope you are enjoying the session. Thank you.